Welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed about how to calculate quantity of bricks using the factor of 13.5. It's simple fact that in 1 cubic feet there are 13.5 bricks that are typically used. However, understanding the reasoning behind it requires a bit more insight. In this video, we will delve into the derivation of this factor. So let's get started. As we covered earlier, a standard brick measures 9 inches in length, 4.5 inches in width, and has a depth of 3 inches. Converting these dimensions into feet, we have 0.75 feet by 0.375 feet and 0.25 feet, which gives a volume of about 0.0703 cubic feet for one brick. Now we aim to determine how many bricks occupy in 1 cubic feet. By dividing 1 by 0.0703, we get approximately 14.22. However, this calculation doesn't account for the space taken up by the mortar. Subtracting 10% for mortar, we arrive at 12.79 bricks. You might wonder why this isn't precisely 13.5. The reason lies in practicality on site. Some bricks may break or become unusable. To address this, we introduce a 5% contingency. Adding 5% to 12.79 bricks brings us to the widely used factor of 13.5. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.